So we got a package from Milk Makeup, guys. Let's go ahead and open this box. I'm not gonna keep y'all waiting. First of all, I thought this was so cute because, you know, it says welcome to the fam. What's up, family? What's up, family? Okay, so here's a few things that are in this PR package. It is a Hydrogrip primer in here. There's a lip and cheek blush in here. There's also KUSH Mascara and the Hydrogrip Set and Refresh Spray. Baby, all the good stuff. So what I'm gonna do for you guys actually is, because they sent me the primer, I'm gonna do my makeup a certain way and I really want to talk about it. But you know, the OG, the Hydrogrip primer. Now, here's the thing, okay? So I'm reading everything about it. First of all, it has niacinamide in it, and you know I love me some niacinamide because that's skin loving. It brightens the skin. It's just, it says it leaves you with a dewy glow and it hydrates. Now y'all know y'all girls' skin. Y'all know what that be doing to me, right? So what I want to do, because I'm also sitting behind all these lights, you know, sometimes these lights can get a little bit hot. I'm gonna put this on and I'm not going to set my T-zone areas because you know I normally get oily there. I want to see how this holds up against my light. So then, like, after I get done doing my makeup and all this other stuff, how it holds up. It should. I don't feel like it's gonna leave me oily, so let's just go ahead and get into it. First of all, this feels really good. So I'm not gonna name the brand, but I use, if you watch my videos, you know the other brand I'm gonna say or I'm talking about. I use their primer and it's definitely stickier. It's definitely, like I said, sticky. You know your makeup is gonna hold with this. This one, as it's going on, it feels so smooth, but now I can feel like it's setting into my skin and I can feel like it's getting stickier. I don't know, this is, it feels really good. Like, it's also very lightweight. Like, I feel like you don't even need to put makeup on with this. Like, it just feels really, really good. Maybe it's just me, and maybe my skin has really been needing some hydration lately, even though I always say hydrate your skin as an oily skin person, but that feels really, 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 really good. So what I'm gonna do now, since I have the primer on, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna zoom through my makeup so we can get to the gobbledygook of everything, okay? Let's get into it. Okay, so now we're back with the next two products. So this one is Werk, and this one is more of like a cool toned. And then you have Quickie, which is this one right here. And this is definitely giving warm, deep blush. So I want to use these specifically for blush, not for my lips, even though I feel like it'd be super cute. But y'all know me, I love a good blush moment. I haven't set anything because I wanted to make sure everything blended together seamlessly. So I'm gonna go in with Werk first. She's super cute. And y'all know me, I love my blush placement right there. So we're gonna put some, starting with the light one right here. That's super subtle but super cute. I like that. Okay. I mean, super subtle, super cute. It definitely gives doll baby. I like this one. This might be my fave. I like her. We like her. So now I'm gonna go in with Quickie as well, and I'm gonna put that up there just so I can have like that ombre eye effect as well too. This one looks really rich. Like, yeah. So I like the fact that it has like that rich look, but it's buildable and it's still soft. Like, you don't have to worry about it being like, ooh, I put too much, I overdid it. I would definitely use this in like my no makeup looks, like these two. I like you a lot. So I'm gonna go in now, and you could use your finger, but I think I want to go in with the same brush that I used to blend out my concealer, just so everything is married together in this. And I'm going to just literally kind of blend everything together. And like I said, I like the fact that it's buildable. So I think I'm gonna go in with some more of that deeper shade. Like, it's really like subtle, and I really like that. Like, don't get me wrong, I'm a blush girly and I love me some blush, but I love a blush that is like, girl, it looks like it just came from like the womb. Like, that's my blush tone. Like, it's just giving natural, and I like the naturalness of it. That baby doll pink one though, ooh, we're in love with her. I like this deep shade too though, because I do like my blush to be noticeable, but like I said, I do like the subtleness of it. So I'm gonna take it up here. That's super duper pretty. Put on the cheekbone. Same thing here. I don't know, it's just something about this blush placement that just makes me feel like extra sultry. Like, it just, oh, it looks so good. And now I'm just patting that back in with the foundation brush that I use, because I want everything to marry together. And I still have to show you guys this spray and the mascara, but I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. So now I'm gonna go in with the Milk Hydrogrip Set and Fresh Spray. So this is supposed to double as a setting spray, and also it's supposed to be like the primer too, and it's supposed to grip the makeup again. So we're gonna see what she do for me. Let me shake her up first. The color is so pretty. Ooh, baby, she come out strong. Hello. Ooh, I like that. So I'm actually going to, how do I do it? she comes out strong. She wants you to know I work. I put in overtime, okay? And it refreshes. So I kind of like that, so your makeup isn't left looking like cakey or dry or anything. I feel like this is going to be like a seamless blend. So I'm going to go with my powder puff that I've been using. Powder puff. Wow, powder puff. And I'm really just going to lightly press everything in. This is also going to help blend everything seamlessly. So you know, sometimes when we go in with our makeup, everything starts looking separate. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to do my brows, my eyeshadow, and my lips off camera, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys with the final product on here that we're gonna be trying out. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the last thing on, which is the KUSH Mascara. So I'm not gonna lie to you guys, most of the time mascara and me don't really go hand in hand like that, because I be feeling like I already don't have lashes, so what's the point of putting it on? But I realize it's not that I don't have lashes, it's just I have super straight lashes, so it gives the appearance that I really don't have none. But this is supposed to be like volume, like add volume. So let's see what she does for you, girl, because I'm just known to go ahead and just put lashes on. So let's see what she's talking about. Let me just move that excess off though. So what I like about this is that I really don't have to work it in too much, and then it's not clumpy. So that's one thing that I like have an issue with some mascaras, that it already comes out clumpy. It's like a lot of product already on the brush, but I don't have that here. This is very lightweight. It's definitely like, that's really pretty. I think what I need to invest in is like a lash curler though, so you guys can really see like what it's doing for me. But I definitely feel like even without it, it's giving like my lashes that like nice volume, that nice lift. Like this is really pretty. I really like this. I definitely have a new favorite mascara now, because I just like the fact that it's not going on heavy handed. Like I hate when like my lashes clump together because it's too much product on the wand. I don't got that here. This is super cute. Let me put some on the bottom because I'm extra. And I think I'm actually gonna go back in with one more coat on that top lash on both sides after I finish my bottom lashes. This is really stinking cute. Like, can y'all see that? That is super pretty. I really like this mascara a lot. This is definitely a favorite. I really like that. Super pretty. Like, even for this to be like a full glam makeup look, even without the lashes, it looks really, really good. Really, really, really good. I kind of want to see what it looks like with the lashes on too, to see like, just like if it even looks like I have on lashes. Let's do it. Let's just do it. Oh my gosh, guys! First of all, I love the fact that the mascara and my actual lashes, like, it's giving me something different. Like, this looks different. this is super cute. I even feel like it blended really well for one. And then on top of that, I really feel like it just gave it like that extra lift. So like, you know how sometimes lashes can make your like lids feel like they're weighing down? I don't feel like that with this. Like this just was really, 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 really good. So honestly, going back to everything, with the primer on, surprisingly, since I have oily skin, I don't feel like my oils are peeking through anywhere. I definitely feel like it does get that dewy finish, which I actually like as an oily skin girl. I just don't like my oils peeking out and making it look like I just jumped in a pool somewhere. I don't like that, but I definitely feel like for oily skin girls, this actually does work for it to be hydrating. And then having the blushes, as you can see, the blushes are very soft and subtle. I really do like these a lot. I definitely plan on using these more in my makeup routine. I actually really, really, really like these. I am becoming a blush girly. Like I have too much blush, but you really have too much blush. I love these. These are super duper cute. And then the actual setting spray itself, I love this. It definitely reinforces the primer, like, but it also stands alone on its own to like really set everything. And it comes out aggressive, but she aggressively does her job. So I actually really, really like this setting spray. It's really, really good. Like as you can see, like everything just looks seamless and blended out and very like put together. And then for the final thing, which is the mascara here, as you can see, it gave definition and volume to my lower like lashes. Like down here, you normally can't see those, but this is super duper pretty. And then even up here, it blended so well with my lashes, it almost makes it look like these are my lashes. Like this looks really, really good. I'm truly in love with the KUSH mascara. They did their thing with that. Like I love this. This is super duper pretty. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments down below what your favorite Milk makeup product is. Also, let me know which product you feel like on here you want to try, or you feel like you already have it in your vault and why you love it. Let me know down in the comments down below. Like this is super duper pretty. Amazing. But thank you so much for tuning into my video, guys. And like I said, be sure to subscribe, like, and talk to your girl down in the comments down below. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.